Ever found yourself staring at your GrabPay wallet, wondering exactly which currency it's operating in? It's a question that pops up more often than you think, especially when you're traveling or dealing with different payment methods. We're going to clear that up today. Now, GrabPay is a super convenient digital wallet, right? You can use it for everything from ordering food to booking rides, and even paying in stores. But the currency part can be a little confusing because Grab operates in multiple countries across Southeast Asia. So, is it one currency fits all? The short answer is no. The currency used in your GrabPay wallet actually depends entirely on the country where you registered your Grab account. Think of it this way: GrabPay is designed to work seamlessly within the local economy of each region it serves. It's all about making transactions smooth and hassle-free for users. So, if you signed up for Grab in Singapore, your GrabPay wallet will primarily use Singapore dollars, SGD. If you registered in Malaysia, it'll be Malaysian ringgit, MYR. And the same goes for other countries like Indonesia, IDR, Thailand, THB, Vietnam, VND, the Philippines, PHP, and Myanmar, MMK. Each country has its own local currency integrated into the GrabPay system. This localization is actually a huge advantage. It means you avoid those pesky foreign exchange fees when you're using Grab within that country. Imagine you're in Thailand and trying to pay for a delicious pad thai with your Singapore-based GrabPay. If the wallet wasn't localized, you'd likely be hit with conversion charges. But because GrabPay uses Thai baht, THB, in Thailand, you're good to go. Now, what happens if you travel? This is where things get a little more interesting. Let's say you're a Singaporean using GrabPay in Singapore and you travel to Malaysia. You can still use your GrabPay in Malaysia, but you might encounter some currency conversion. Grab usually handles this automatically, and they'll often show you the converted amount in both currencies, your home currency, SGD, and the local currency, MYR, before you confirm the transaction. This helps you keep track of your spending and avoid any surprises. However, keep in mind that the exchange rates used by Grab might not be exactly the same as the mid-market rates you see online. There might be a slight markup, so it's always a good idea to check the exchange rate displayed by Grab before you make a purchase. Sometimes, it might be more cost-effective to use a different payment method, like a credit card that offers good foreign exchange rates, especially for larger transactions. Another thing to consider is topping up your GrabPay wallet. The methods for topping up also vary by country. Usually, you can link your local bank account or credit card to your GrabPay wallet for easy top-ups. In some countries, you might also have the option to top up via cash at designated physical locations. Again, this reinforces the localized nature of GrabPay, making it convenient for users in each specific region. So, to summarize, the currency in your GrabPay wallet is determined by the country where you registered your Grab account. It's designed to work seamlessly within the local currency of that country, avoiding foreign exchange fees for in-country transactions. When traveling, you can still use GrabPay, but currency conversion might apply. Always check the displayed exchange rates before confirming your purchase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.